welcome to my YouTube channel Message Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, subject teacher. Today also I shall discuss solution of some problem in Misc Exercise Chapter number 6 class. Also I have discussed some problem. Today's problem is question number 9. First, solve and show graphically 3x minus 7 greater than 2x minus 6 and 6 minus x less than 11 minus 2, but it is written as greater than in textbook, but actually it should be less than. The solution: 3x minus 7 less than 2x minus 6. First inequation is, therefore this is 3x minus 7 greater than 2x minus 12. That is first. This implies we can write 3x minus 2x greater than minus 12 plus 7. This implies x greater than minus 5. This is the solution for first inequation. For second inequation, it is 6 minus x less than 11 minus 2x. This implies minus x plus 2x. This is minus 2x here plus 2x less than 11 minus 6. This is just like equation x less than 5. This is 1. This is from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we get x minus 5 less than x less than 5. In interval form, it can be written as minus 5, 5. There is a first bracket. This is a open interval. Now show graphically. We have to show graphically. This is, I have to draw a number line here. This is 0. Let this is minus 5 and this is 5. We cannot take minus 5, so we cannot darken this, but this is also we cannot darken, but this should be darkened. This portion is the solution for this problem. This is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. So this is the solution for this problem. Next problem, this is, there it is. A solution is to be kept between 68 degree F, that is Fahrenheit, and 70 degree Fahrenheit. What is the range of the temperature in degree Celsius? If the Celsius C and Fahrenheit F conversion formula, this is the conversion formula. From Fahrenheit we can convert Fahrenheit to degree Celsius and Celsius to degree with the help of this formula. So solutions. Here given Fahrenheit temperature, two temperature, range of two Fahrenheit temperatures are given. First is 68 degree Fahrenheit and second is 77 degree Fahrenheit. So F is equal to 68 degree Fahrenheit implies F অর্থাৎ যদি আমি 68 ডিগ্রি বহুৱাই দিওঁ, 68 বহুৱাই দিলে C ৰ মান কিমান ওলাব আমি ইয়াতো চাই লম এটা. This implies 68 minus 32 is equal to 9C by 5. This is 636 9C by 5. We can write this is by cross multiplication. 9C is equal to 30C into 5. The C is equal to 36 by 9 4. It is 20. Therefore Celsius, it is degree Celsius, that is C is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. When Fahrenheit temperature is 68 degree Fahrenheit, then Celsius is 20 degree. F is equal to again F is equal to 77 degree Fahrenheit implies. If we now we have to put 77 in place of F. 77. This 9 by 5 C plus 32. This implies 77 minus 32 is equal to 9 C by 5. This implies 5, 4, 9 C by 5. This is 9 C is equal to 45 into 5. C is equal to 45 5 by 9 is equal to 45 5 by 9, 9 5. Therefore, this is 25 degrees Celsius. Now, range in Celsius. Therefore, range in Celsius is 20 degree to 25 degree Celsius. 20 degree Celsius to 25 degree Celsius. This is the range in Celsius. And given next problem, there is a solution of boric acid is to be diluted by adding 2% boric acid solution on it. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. If there are 640 liters of 8% solution, how many liters of 2% solution will have to be added? This is the problem. Solution. Let X liter of 2% boric acid to be added to make let 2% of boric acid to be added. A total mixture is X plus 640 liter. There are 640 liter already. After adding X, there is X plus 640. Yes. Now, it is given 2% of X. 2% of X plus 8% of, it is already 8% of 640 liter of solution dr is greater than equal 4% of X plus 640. From this we can write 2 by 100 into X, 8 by 100 into 640, that is 4 into X, 4 by 100 X plus 640. We can cancel 100 from both sides here. Therefore 2X plus, it is 5120. After multiplying this is greater than 4X plus this 2560. This is twice X minus 4X greater than, that is not greater than, not equal, but it is only greater than, not only greater than. Therefore this is 2560 minus 5120. This is minus twice X greater than, this is minus 2560. The twice X sign will be sense 250 after removing my negative sign. It is x less than 2560 by 2, which is equal to 1280. That is our x less than 1280. Again, given 2% of x plus 8% of 640, that is less than 6% of it. Now see, this is 6%. 6% of x plus 640. From this, can write 2 by 100 into x, 8 by 100 into 640, less than 6 by 100 into x plus 640. We can cancel 100 from both sides. We are also 5120. This is less than 6x plus, this is 3840. This is twice x minus 6x less than 3840 minus 5120. This is minus 4x less than is minus 1280. We can remove my negative sign, therefore 4x this will be greater than 1280. From this we can write x greater than 1280, which is equal to 320. Therefore we have to add more than 320 liters of 2% boric acid solution, but less than 1280 liter of boric acid solution. So we have to add more than 320 liter of 2% boric acid, but less than 1280 liter of 2% boric acid. Therefore we have it is more than 320 liters, but less than 1280 liters. This is the problem. And next class also I shall describe 2 more problems.